ambush. The train is being robbed. It's being robbed. It's an ambush on the train. There's people on horses. People on horses come to find us. It's being ambushed. I figured they were. Oh, there's a robber back there. He's on the train back there. But he's not collecting one. He's passing state money. He's passing up. He's giving everybody Monopoly money. There's a robber on the train who has confused. He's giving us money instead of taking money. He's taking a picture of him. All right, here he comes. Here he comes. Please don't rob us. Oh, it's on video.
It's on video?
Yeah.
Does it have a zoom on it?
I'm being shot.
Y'all got any money on this train?
Any money? She does.
Wide angle lens on there. I've been eating pretty good right now. There's just some money in case you get robbed. Is this your wife? You like murdering that girl you were here with yesterday. Howdy. Where'd you lose them teeth to? You know what I hear causes that? Kissing boys. Is that what caused it? Did you put it under the pillow? Get money for it? You did? Does Mom know you're selling body parts? Sold in peace. Howdy, howdy, how you going?
Thank you.
There you go. Howdy, howdy. Alright, Caleb, I see you. I'm going to get me some deputies to get you off this train here. How y'all doing?
I need deputies. You need deputies?
I need a deputy. There you go.
Sarah's a deputy. This is a good guy coming to get the robber. He needs deputies.
Deputy Sheriff.
Sarah's a deputy. Let me see. Deputy Sarah. Horse. Another one. He's doing tricks.
Heck
Sorry. There they go. The robbers have left. They took $1 million of my dollars. I had $1 million in cash on me, and it's all stolen now. Stolen. Oh, they're coming back. There they are. They're gonna shoot at us.
Oh, thanks.
Alright. Oh, he's bullets. He's throwing. They're bullet. What kind of bullet? They got bullet shells.
Oh, bullet shells?
Yeah. Show me the bullet shell, Mark. These are blank. See, they have what's called a firing pin. It hits the little dot right there, and it's what causes all the stuff in here is a little gunpowder. It shoots the bullet out and leaves the casing. Yeah, they both did. The bullet shells. They were blanks. Blanks.
Here we go.
But they're just empty shells. Just after the fire.
Okay.